Hello and welcome back to Wayside Car Valeting. Welcome to another video, and in today's video, well, it's all about the pressure washer, and it is the AVA P60 Easy Large Bundle, which I have just been and acquired from Cleanstore. And Cleanstore is a family-run business. It's an online e-commerce website based in Surrey, and they offer very knowledgeable UK customer support with some great delivery times, very quick delivery. And I actually went on a little road trip myself to see Cleanstore, which is just north of Gatwick Airport, near Hawley. And also went and saw Dave Walker at Epic Automotive to see the yellow Ford Focus. Here's a picture, and it was a really nice visit. So I must thank Gina and her team up at Cleanstore. I'll put the links in the description for cleanstore.co.uk. Do give it a check out, and it's not only for car cleaning products. You can get industrial cleaning and household cleaning products and all sorts of equipment on their website, so please do check it out. So that's enough talking from me. Let's get on with having a look at what we get with the whole package of the AVA P60 Easy large bundle. There you see on the box you get quite a bit. We'll get on with it. We'll get it outside and have a look. If you do like the video, please give it a like and please do subscribe. Lots more exciting news still to come. So let's go. So here it is, the AVA P60 Easy large bundle, one of Norway's finest creations, and that is except the Norwegian fjords, which are spectacular. Highly recommend a visit to Norway if you ever get the chance. On opening the box, you are given the chance to activate your free 10-year warranty simply by scanning the QR code seen here on the box. The AVA P60 comes with a 12-metre flexi hose, and as you can see, due to the unit's low centre of gravity, I'm able to extend the hose all the way down my patio here without the unit falling over. The hose has a standard AVA fitting, so if you do have adapters, you are able to attach those to it, as you can see here. The unit also comes with a 3-cylinder pump, and that delivers extremely efficient performance. The unit comes with a collapsible handle. As you can see here, it just tucks down behind the back of the unit, up and under, and then you can put your AVA P60 away in smaller storage cupboards. Reversing that, bringing out the handle, lifting it up, and it locks into position. The stubby gun is really well built, it's got a good feel to it, and you can lock the trigger in the open or closed position. One of the main selling points of the AVA units is that they have the extendable lance. It can be plugged into the stubby gun, and then with a click of the button seen here, a twist and a pull out, you get the extension and you get really good access to areas maybe that you can't reach. With the AVA P60 large bundle, you get various nozzles. This is the 20-degree and 60-degree nozzle, and you can use this on AVA P30s up to P80s. And also you get the patio nozzle for brickwork and masonry, and this is giving you a more stronger jet if you should require it. One of my favourite things about the AVA P60 is the fact that you can pull out this clip and then attach your foam lance, so you don't have it left around, and it's ready to go when you need it. And the foam lance is included with the pack. Another great thing about the P60 is the fact you can coil up the power cable on the back of the unit, and that is using the 2 clips seen here, and it means that you haven't got the cable either lying on the floor or hanging off the handle of the unit itself. Another good stowage thing I love about the AVA P60, as well as the collapsible handle. Let's get the AVA P60 tested for the first time. Not used it yet, so it'll be exciting to see how it does. So we're going to use it on a car out the front of the house, so let's go. Right, so love how you can do that. It's really handy. Time to purge the line out. There it is, bit of air in it. Go on. Now I forgot to say, you can actually unlock or lock these in position by just turning that light green section, and that's now locked it in place. Now, I like that about these systems. And then, like I've done there, I've just undone it, push in and detach. So we're going to use the stubby gun first, and yeah, connecting that is simply a press. That is it. And then, like I said in the first part of the video, you can lock that closed, or you can't lock it open. It is just closed, so you can't activate it by accident and soak somebody. I thought you might be able to do it. No. Anyway, no, that's fine. So we'll just use the stubby gun. I'm going to start with the snow foam lance first on this Dirty Golf. Okay, so got the snow foam lance. This is the one that's provided in the kit, the large bundle. Lovely measurements on there, put a solution in there already. AVA do have available the Premier collection. You've got the 3 snow foam lances with the 1 litre bottles. There are videos about those out there. I haven't got those, but that snow foam lance kit. This one's for the AVA P30 all the way through to the P80. So yeah, gonna get that connected in. There we go, that is your unit. You've got the adjustable foam setting, and then twist for the different spray, wide or narrow jet. Up there. Probably go midway first of all to start, see what it can do. All right, water's on, power's on. Here we go, hold on to your knickers. That was an air pocket. Here we go again. Right, whilst that dwells, I've noticed from previous AVA snow foam cannons I've used, the solution isn't sucked up. That's on the mid setting, so 4 to 5, and it has not guzzled down the solution like the previous models did. One thing I have noticed is, you see the pipe inside? It's made for a 1 litre bottle, so obviously this is a sort of shorter version of it, and the pipe is sitting up funny inside there, so I was getting air go through the actual line there, the intake line, the adductor, so that was just causing a few sort of splutters as the solution sort of went out of it like that. Otherwise, really good application of foam. That's Garage Therapy's one snow foam, and it's done a real nice job at applying that. One more go here, so I'll top that up there. Look. This is very light as well, by the way. Look at that. That's really nice. It's a nice little cannon, that. Really impressed. Right, we'll let that dwell and then we'll move on to the other nozzles and the extendable lance for rinse off. Okay, stubby gun time. So, like I say, you got the AVA P30 to P60 on this one. And that goes in there, lock it on. And then settings wise, the mid jet there. I'll show you all the different ones. 3 settings, 1, 2 and 3. Don't think we'll be using the one there, number 3, because that is quite strong. So go in the middle. So, 1. That's very light. The second one is very light. Third one, probably the best one actually. I was wrong. Now this patio nozzle will not fit in the stubby gun, it only fits in the lance. So I just tried putting that into the gun, into the main trigger, and yeah, it does not fit in. So obviously that is to keep it further away from you because it is a very strong jet. So it only fits in the lance. That ain't bad at all. bad, not bad. One little kink sort of made it go. But no, that was quite easy to tidy up. So there we have it, the AVA P60 Easy Large Bundle. What can I say? Really impressed. Obviously I've used the P80 in the past, comparing that slightly to it. I'm not here to judge them, but obviously the AVA P60 is a lot lighter. The hose is really easy to set up. I like the storage space on there, and I like how you can minimize the actual unit for storage in a cupboard or unit that you might have. So overall, Norway has produced some absolutely amazing pieces of equipment. There is a range, do check them out. And like I say, do please check out cleanstore.co.uk, and you can obtain AVA equipment from them and everything else like I showed earlier in the video. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like and do subscribe. And I've been using this AVA P60 now for a couple of days, and I've used it on something very special to me, and that is coming up in the next video. All the best everybody, goodbye.